Realme's upcoming 9 Pro and 9 Pro Plus have been leaking left and right over the past few weeks, but there's still not official that, however, seems thankfully set to change, although not in the next few days instead. According to a newly leaked poster, the mid-range duo's unveiling is scheduled to take place on February 15th. That's still more than 2 weeks off, and by that time, for what it's worth, this date hasn't been confirmed by Realme, at least not yet. Hopefully, that's coming in the near future. The Realme 9 Pro is expected to be powered by the Snapdragon 695 chipset, coincidentally or not, just like the recently revealed Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G. While the Pro Plus is allegedly to go with the MediaTek Dimensity 920, the Pro should have a 5000 mAh battery with 33W fast charging, whereas the Pro Plus has been rumored to go with 4500 mAh and 65W. Respectively. Weirdly enough, the Pro Plus has been said to sport a smaller screen, 6.43 versus 6.59, as well as the lower refresh rate, 90Hz versus 120Hz, which makes us wonder what's so about it after all, aside from the fact that only it shall get OIS for them. Both the Realme 9 and Realme 9 Pro have been spotted on multiple certification websites. The smartphone is said to sport a 6.59-inch display with 120Hz refresh rate and an under-display fingerprint sensor. It could be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 5G SoC, paired with 6GB or 8GB of RAM and 128GB of onboard storage. The Realme 9 Pro is claimed to get a triple rear camera setup with a 64-megapixel primary sensor, an 8-megapixel secondary, and a 2-megapixel tertiary sensor. It may get a 16-megapixel selfie camera. The phone may pack a 5000 mAh battery with 33W fast charging support.